I worked for the Forest Service in the wilderness in both CO and NM for a couple years. Often I worked in areas alone, fixing trail, cutting trees, doing erosion prevention, GIS etc. I would hike in for anywhere from a couple days to over a week and do my job. Most times I would see no one, which I really had no problem with. Thing is, out there, I had no contact. I could check in daily via radio, but if anything happened it would have been a while until anyone found me. Therefore, I wrote very few tickets. I really didn't want to piss anyone off way out in the wood where you could never be seen again. I did carry a crosscut saws, a Pulaski, a tool with an axe on one end and a sharpened hoe on the other, and a shovel which would have been great for protection, but you still meet some crazy people out there. One night, after working a long day to clear trail into an area, I got to a site quite late. Dusk was passing as I tried to prep up my site, get bags hung and a tent up. The trail in was been pretty blocked, so I really expected no one to be in the basin I was camping. Out of the bushes I heard a call though. A man's voice said, "Hey, you're in late." After a few days in the bush alone I wasn't too ready for this. A man came into view and said hello. He then kindly offered me some food he had just finished cooking. In need of some sustenance, I took him up on his offer and followed up a bit away from my camp to where he had set up. We talked as he pulled out a skillet with some meat on it and dropped it into my bowl. He had a small dog that stared up at me with beady black eyes that surveyed me as I eyed my food. I asked him what it was and he responded in a way they seemed offended, that I should try it. Trying to not be rude, but very curious, I ate some. It was chewy and grisly. Keeping the conversation going, rather than eating this slab, I began to feel less and less comfortable. He kept asking how it was and offering me more, while I hoped to see where he was hiking, if he had seen any animals, summited peaks, and the like. He would give me no information. He had been up there for a while, got his food where he could, didn't usually talk to people. In the end I felt quite off-put by the man and wanted out of there. I ended up eating the meat and thanked him profusely, making my excuses to get back to camp. We offered me more meat to take with, as he had more than he could carry. He said he also knew the basin well, would be hiking in the night if I wanted him to check on my site. I did turn him down and got out of there. That night I kept my Pulaski close to me. In the morning I found no trace of his site other than some hair tufts near the fire. I have no idea what I ate that night and I have come to decide it was people, cause it's the least logical decision.